Guys, it's not going to be a good day. Yeah, a lot to do. Can't seem to get anything done. Right now I'm trying to update my computer because it's got firmware updates and it's slow as molasses. I mean, I could watch grass grow and it'd be faster. It's getting frustrating. So I'm trying to get this thing sped back up so it can operate so I can go on with my day and get some things done. Yeah. Had a plan to get a lot of things done yesterday. Got a couple done. Woke up this morning thinking, today's the day. I got all these things I got to get done. Got to knock them out. And yet here I sit, monkeying with technology that is broke. I mean, it's frustrating. So my computer oftentimes be running fine, just fine. And then all of a sudden it shifts into granny gear and it's just slow and won't do anything. So you reboot and you reboot, and then you make sure your updates are done. You clear out your cache, you clear out your memory, you do, you run your system diagnostics, and you do all that cleanup stuff. And it has built-in. It's a Dell, and it has built-in software that allows you to clean up the system periodically. And I do that usually about every 2 weeks. And sometimes that works. It's fine. Sometimes it doesn't work, and everything just creeps along. And when I say creep along, I'm saying it takes 10 minutes to boot back up. It takes, you start typing something. Why is my camera all wonky, John? You start typing something, and you be done with your sentence, but yet the letters are just starting to appear on the page at the beginning of the sentence. And then you have to sit and wait for it to finish filling out all the way across because you want to make sure what you said correctly, or you want to check your spelling and make sure everything's spelled correctly. So you're just sitting back and you're having your beverage of choice and you're waiting for the computer to catch up to where your fingers were. Yeah, that kind of stuff. It's frustrating. And oh, well, there it is. It just booted up. It took about 10 minutes this time. I don't know. Amanda's not going to be here again today. Yeah. So I'm on my own, flying solo again. Oh, my goodness. Here we go. That finally opened up. This isn't going to work. It's not going to work. We're going to have to do another reboot, probably. Let's do another system diagnostic. This will be the second diagnostic. I'm looking at my screen instead of the camera. This is the second diagnostics I ran after the first time where it said I had updates, and I updated. So let's do it again. Clean out the files again. Make sure everything's good to go. Yeah. Boring stuff, huh?